Are you tired of spending precious time every day deciding what to cook and scrambling to put together a meal? Do you find yourself resorting to unhealthy takeout or frozen dinners because you simply don't have the time or energy to cook? Well, it's time to revolutionize your life with meal prep. Meal prep, also known as batch cooking, has gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It is the ultimate time-saving strategy that allows you to have delicious and nutritious meals ready to go throughout the week. By dedicating a couple of hours each weekend to prepare your meals in advance, you can free up valuable time during the week and say goodbye to the stress of last-minute meal decisions. The benefits of meal prep are truly remarkable. Not only does it save you time, but it also helps you stick to a healthy eating plan. When you have pre-portioned meals and snacks readily available, you are less likely to reach for unhealthy options or give in to cravings. Plus, by planning your meals in advance, you have better control over your portion sizes, ensuring you are fueling your body with the right nutrients in the right quantities. To get started with meal prep, you don't need fancy equipment or culinary expertise. All you need are some simple recipes, a few basic cooking tools, and a refrigerator or freezer to store your prepared meals. Begin by choosing the meals you want to prepare for the week ahead, taking into consideration your dietary preferences and goals. It's a good idea to opt for recipes that can be easily batched and reheated without compromising taste or texture. Once you have your recipe selected, make a detailed shopping list and gather all the ingredients you'll need. Then, set aside a dedicated block of time to focus on your meal prep. This could be Sunday afternoon or any other day that works best for you. Get into a rhythm of chopping, slicing, marinating, cooking, and assembling your meals. Be sure to label each container with its contents and refrigerate or freeze everything properly. By embracing meal prep, you'll not only save time and eat healthier, but you'll also have the opportunity to explore new flavors and cuisines. You can experiment with different recipes and ingredients that you may not have tried otherwise. Additionally, meal prep can help save money, as you'll be less likely to waste food or succumb to the temptation of eating out. If you're looking for meal prep inspiration and want to learn more about this life-changing method, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a wide range of recipe videos and tips to help you get started and stay motivated on your meal prep journey. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch out for new videos every week. Revolutionize your life with meal prep and unlock a world of convenience, health, and flavor. Prepare your meals in advance, take control of your nutrition, and reclaim your time. Thanks for watching.